Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure IDM and Chrome are updated. Outdated builds break integration. Open Item, go to Options, General, and check the Chrome box so IDM can inject its extension. Once done, restart Chrome. Browser restarts load the helper. If the extension doesn't appear, use admin rights to allow installation. This prevents permission blocks. You're preparing the environment, so the following steps apply cleanly and avoid permission or version conflicts. Now, install the IDM integration module in Chrome. Open Chrome, //extensions and enable developer mode so you can load unpacked extensions. This is necessary when Chrome doesn't auto-install. In IDM's installation folder, locate the extension folder, then click Load Unpacked and select it. Make sure the extension is enabled, and then use IDM's menu to verify use advanced browser integration is on. These steps let Chrome hand download links to IDM instead of using its own downloader. Finish by testing with a common download. Play a video or click a direct file link. IDM should display the download dialog. If it doesn't, make sure the extension is enabled, then toggle it off and on and restart Chrome. This often reestablishes the connection. If problems persist, reinstall IDM and reload the unpacked extension. One key troubleshooting tip: disable other download manager extensions. Conflicts are a frequent cause of missed captures, so remove or disable them before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.